Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can unmute yourself in GoToMeeting. So when you're GoToMeeting, and to mute yourself and unmute, you're gonna see this here. You're gonna mic, right? And you're gonna mute yourself, or you're already muted. So what you want to do is just like click here on unmute yourself. To see if your mic is actually working, go to settings. Now you can see my face right here. And go, or like half of my face, go to open preferences, and then you're gonna see microphone setup, and you're gonna see microphone, and you're gonna see this green, I don't know, dots, or how would I call it, to see if it's working or not. So that's probably it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.